Hi and welcome, Merry fucking Christmas too. The Council State Cooking Christmas special. I'm a prick. I've sent Con out to get a turkey and the trimmings. It should be back very soon. We should yeah, so as soon as we get here we'll prepare the turkey and the rest of the food. And that should go well, for once, maybe. Colin?
Brick. You can see. Hello. Cook Colin Cutlass here. He's gone out and got turkey. So you can see, turkey. Boom, boom.
What the fuck's that?
It's a turkey, look.
It's not turkey.
Turkey.
That's your handwriting.
No, that's turkey.
You spelled it wrong as well.
I didn't spell it wrong. No, I mean, no, it's turkey. It's a fucking turkey.
Look, turkey foil. That's how you spell turkey. This is a chicken.
Yeah, but it's spelled turkey foil. That's turkey and turkey foil. This is just turkey. It's a fucking turkey.
It's not, it's a chicken. I can see it's
You
a
give me
chicken.
money to go get a turkey, and I got a turkey.
I'll give you £30 in good faith.
Yeah, and I got a fucking turkey and a fucking unique antique plate.
Oh. What the rest of the food? You spent 30 quid on a chicken.
No, like I said, it's a fucking turkey, and I got this fucking turkey and this nice plate, 30 quid. It's a turkey. It says turkey. Turkey.
It's a turkey.
And it's spelt right as well.
Well, we need to get it in the oven. So
Oh shit, you should have
sorry,
this shit ready.
preheated. I've got the tray ready for a turkey.
Well, get to work then.
You're the cook.
You're the glamorous assistant.
That's true. What is that? All right.
Oh, look at that lovely turkey. Lovely turkey. See, it fits perfectly. Put it in the oven.
Oh, God damn.
Ah, there we go. Now,
Keep it on 200 for about 2 hours.
200.
Yeah.
You want it on highest heat?
No.
Yeah, put it on the highest heat, then it cooks perfectly. And you said 2 hours. The turkey takes longer than 2 hours to cook. It takes like 4.
Okay, do what you want.
Right, we've got 4 hours to kill now.
Oh.
Pub? I've actually got 25 quid actually. So yeah, let's go to pub. Drinking, drinking.
A Murder City Christmas. West side, east side. On the east side where we ride or die, blowing green trees underneath Christmas lights. Got the sweet leaf passing when the time is right. I'm a killer motherfucker tonight. Southside. On the west side, Santa smokes PCP. Wrecked his sleigh and got stuck in a tree. Crackheads climbed up and robbed his ass, butt naked. Found him in the dumpster trash. On the east side, we keeping it red green. Smoking on a fatty while trimming the Christmas tree. Ain't nobody on the streets because it's too cold. In the Murder City, blood turns to red icicles. On the west side, it's more cold and presents. Headed out to the kids, my son got a representative on Christmas Eve. A black ass snow, the only white powder you see is bagged and sold. Christmas, it's a murder city Christmas. 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 The holidays are a time of giving and receiving. Give me some money so I can receive me a warm bottle of hooch. On the west side, people got kids to feed. Mom's a hooker and I'm selling brown weed. Suicide rates rise, everybody needs money. So Frosty's cute ass jokes ain't funny. On the east side, we like to go out west. Grab Shaggy and Jay and start killing to the sunset. Not fun yet, give me a sec. I got a throwaway tech for the special event. On the west side, we throw up our sets. Fuck a resolution, we set up New Year's bomb threats. Hood rat hoes with mistletoe over chemicals. Another zombie froze every time the wind blows. On the east side, my pockets are straight lint, so I stole like a thief cause my money was like spent. Got a wreath on my door and an eviction notice stapled in the center. How could the holidays get any better? Christmas, it's a murder city Christmas. It's a
Yo, what the fuck you doing?
What?
You didn't have no beer after the shit that happened in the pub. You got us kicked out.
You got...
If you had my back, we would have got kicked out. So leave them shit. Fuck it, let's go. Go check on that turkey.
Fucking chicken.
What the fuck? Who are we fucking shouting for?
Fucking burn, you prick.
You calling me a prick? You the prick.
Fucking burn it, you fucker.
What you done?
It's you.
It's you!
Turn the heat up too light.
There's a turkey, it's 4 fucking hours on a turkey, son.
It's ruined.
What you done? I actually think it's salvageable.
Well, I don't want none. Show up here. Christmas is over.
You ruined Christmas again.